Everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of eye collections in C sharp. Okay, in this concept, it is the most important thing where you will be learning about in eye collection what and all concepts are said to be present. Okay, so let's check out what is said to be there in the eye collection. It will be consisting the number of elements which you are said to be using in the programmatic concept. Those number of elements are said to be listed here. Okay, which are the elements which are there? Those it will be listed from the container. Then the safety of those elements, each and every time when the elements are being called, at that time the safety of the elements are being considered. Then it has to copy the elements into the array. Those copied contents information is being there in the eye collection. Okay, mainly the eye collection, it will be inheriting the properties of the eye enumerable. Eye enumerable, already you have learned what is there in the eye enumerable. You know about the move next, reset, everything which is there in the eye enumerable, that it is said to be present in the eye collection. Okay, it will be counting the number of elements which you are using in the programmatic concept. Then all the elements, whether they are said to be executing in a synchronized way, all the ways it is said to be got, and main root of the object it will be got, and you are said to be copying the elements from one index to the array, that it will be got through the eye collection concept. Okay, then you will be learning about the concept called as eye dictionary. Eye dictionary, mainly it is the concept that it will be knowing the object's name and the value of that particular object. What is the name of the object, then the value of the object, it is being considered in the role of eye dictionary. Okay, eye dictionary, even it consists of the interfaces which are being inherited. For example, you have eye collection and eye enumerable. Those interfaces are being involved in the eye dictionary. Okay, even the eye dictionary, it consists of is fixed size, eye collection keys, values, then the elements which are said to be added, the objects which are there, those objects elements value is being added, and its key value is being also added. Then if I want to remove the object, then also you are said to be getting the elements. Remove elements, it will remove the objects from the memory, and even it will clear the content from the memory. Okay, so that happens in eye dictionary. Then you have the eye dictionary enumerator. Eye dictionary enumerator, it is the part of the generic entry property. This generic entry property, here also you have the concept of keys and values. So here the property also stores the keys and values of the elements. And this eye dictionary enumerator consists of the eye enumerator concept. Its interfaces are being carried out onto the eye dictionary enumerator. And this eye dictionary entry consists of the values which are being got through the eye dictionary, and you have the keys and the values which are also got from the like eye enumerator into the dictionary concept. One by one it will be getting the keys and values. Okay, and last one is your eye hash code provider. iHash code provider is nothing but each and every time when you switch on the system, you execute any of the code, whichever code, the system generates one hash code. That hash code can be searched through a function called as interface iHash code provider int get hash code, and the object elements where and all the objects, which and all objects you are said to be fetching, those hash code are said to be got through the iHash code provider. Okay, and last one is the role of list. The number of elements which are said to be present, you want to access within the programmatic concept. It can be inserted, it can be removed, it can be like modified. Those concept is being done in the iList concept. Okay, this iList, it has the concept of eye collection and eye enumerable. So whichever values you are said to be got, those are said to be having fixed value, which is of type either true or false. Then you can add a value into the collection. Then you can remove the element, you can clear the element, and you can insert an index value for each and everything. An index can be prepared for each and every object which is being created in the C sharp concept. Okay, so this is said to be called as the iList role. Okay, these and all concepts you have learned, mainly basics today. Whatever you have learned is, you have learned about the role of eye collection. What does it do? Its number of things which are said to be done within the eye collection. Then you have the concept of then you have learned about the concept of iDictionary, then iDictionary enumerator, which is there within the programmatic concept. Then you have learned about the high hash code provider, and even the ilist, what and all is said to be present in the ilist, that you have learned. So each and everything, it is said to be interdependent on each other. Each interface is dependent on the another interface. Only few things are said there which are said to be separated from the I collection, but main base is your I collection in the concept. Okay, so this is the concept of I collection. In the next session you will be learning about the generic concept, what and all generic features are there that you will be learning. Okay, thank you.